My presentation is about the armadillo lizard, and my name is Max. The armadillo lizard lives in the desert of Africa. The armadillo lizard looks like it has armor all around their bodies and have spiny scales around them. It eats crickets and red roaches in the day or night. It forms into a ball by rolling on its back and taking its tail in its mouth. The armadillo lizard has its babies in the late summer or winter.
My name is Skylar, and my report is about a white monkey. White monkeys live in the Caribbean. Their bodies are gray-green in color. They have black faces outlined with white fur. It eats leaves, fruits, and small rodents. White monkeys are suckled for 4 months by their mother until they can catch solid food. Rarely penetrate further than about 500 yards from the trees.
My name is Mackenzie Cook, and my report is on a giraffe. They only live in Africa, savanna grasslands, or woodlands. Giraffes have long legs and spotted patterns. They have small horns on top of their heads. Males stand up to 18 feet tall. It eats leaves during the day. They are one of the world's tallest mammals. Did you know giraffes live for 28 years?
My name is Lear Marshall. My presentation is sandcats. Sandcats live in the Arabian Desert. They are a pale sandy gray color with white bellies. They eat bugs, crabs, and sometimes poison ivy. They eat after dusk. They are the smallest cat species in Arabia. Did you know they have 2 to 4 babies?
My name is Taylor Simon, and I did my report on zebras. Zebras live in the grasslands of East Africa. They have a horse shape with black and white stripes. They eat grass, shrubs, twigs, and leaves. The zebra stripes are as unique as human fingerprints and help identify individuals. Did you know Romans trained zebras to pull 2-wheeled carts? Thank you.